Hello everybody. So I have a 5x5 here, and since this one does not stay together very well, I thought I'd show you the inner workings of a Rubik's Cube today. But this would be the one time that it wants to stay together. So normally it just wants to fall apart on me, but when I want it to fall apart it doesn't. So just have to help it along a little bit. Can't tell you how many times this thing shattered while I was solving it. Now look at that. A pile of pieces. So we have... That's the basic design of a Rubik's Cube. There's not much to it, is it? That's all it is, and then we have all these little pieces. And I probably shouldn't have pulled this apart because I forgot how terrible it is to put it back together. But we're gonna put together the 5x5 now. And we'll separate according to color, I guess. Put all the yellows over here. All the yellows. Should be 15 yellows. So that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. $13, 14, 15. Okay, so that's what we're gonna start off with. We're gonna put yellow on the bottom eventually. That's red. That's red. Yeah, obviously you can only have a corner and match up the yellows here, but those don't go together. They just don't fit. Where's another red? Okay. Now here's where I'm going wrong. I say 15, but it's a 5x5, which means there's 25. That's why I can't find everything. So I need 10 more yellows before I can get this working. There's 16, 17, 18. Well, 25 because this is 1, 2. So we're gonna start assembling. Let's get all the yellows and greens. How about that? There's yellow and green. There's yellow and blue. There should be 5 yellows and greens. There's the yellow and green. Problems. There it is. Okay, so the corners go on the ends. Yellow's down. Green's out. And then these just go in however they fit, though. That doesn't fit up close to it, so yellow's down, so this fits in right there. Fits up snug there. This one goes in like that. And we're just going to work our way around. So how about all the reds? This one doesn't fit next to that. Here's a yellow and red. Yellow and red. Yellow on the bottom. That fits in like that. Yellow and red. You can see it's a pretty simple design. This one, yellow on the bottom, blue out. Let's start putting the center pieces in. This one has a bit of a corner on it. I do believe that goes. I think this goes in here. It fits in right there. Other pieces just slide in. Yellow. Oh, I need one with a bit of a corner on it to go in there. That'll go in there. Need one with a bit of a corner on it. That goes in like that. What I need to do is put this in while I still can. Okay. And hold it in place and snap it in. Come on. There. Okay. The 5x5 is solved. And I'm not sure I'll ever do that again. That was a lot harder than I remember it being. And for any of those who feel like tearing it apart is the easiest way to solve a Rubik's Cube, that is not the case. Because I can solve the 5x5 in somewhere around 5 minutes without tearing it apart, and this took me 25 minutes to put it back together after tearing it apart. So there's that. I hope you enjoyed that. And if you feel like taking apart your cubes to see the inner workings a little close up, go for it. You might want to start off with a 3x3. That's a little easier to put back together. Well, thanks for watching.